Hey guys, welcome back to Wiser Together. This is Ayush. So as you can see in today's video, we are taking Wiser Together to new heights. And when I say heights, I mean literally 700 feet above. So in today's video, we are going to talk about helicopters. वो कैसे काम करते हैं, उनको सीखने के लिए कितना पैसा लगता है, कितना टाइम लगता है, what's the process of it, and I'm going to take you guys with me to Mumbai skies. Mumbai is such a beautiful city and you will love to see it from the top. Also, just a small disclaimer that because of the permissions, I was not able to take the camera and microphone, so there might be some issues with sound at some point of time or the camera quality, so please excuse me for this. I'm really excited and hope you guys also like this video. So yeah, we are on the way to Aman Aviation Office and हम अमन के साथ ही हैं. He is going to tell us कि हर प्रोसेस में क्या होता है in detail, in all the technicalities, in as simple words as possible.
It's good weather today. Visibility is amazing. We'll hear the weather on the radio com very soon.
So after parking our car, हम flight parking area में गए जहाँ पे अलग-अलग तरीके के helicopters and chartered planes थे. And Aman was telling us about different usage and different companies who use these helicopters. So some of them are private charters, obviously. Some of them are used for medical purposes, rescue operations. And then he told us about Robinson Raven 2, जिसमें हम flight लेने वाले हैं अभी. So as before every flight, they check each and every part of the helicopter. Meanwhile this was going, I asked couple of questions to Aman that what exactly Aman Aviation does.
Majority of our work is surveys. Our clients are most of the biggest oil and gas pipeline producers, basically, who not only maintain but also manage these pipelines. Reliance is one example. So we do a full-scale survey of their pipelines, starting all the way from Gujarat down to Tamil Nadu, and we do this the length and breadth of the country. We also do up northeast towards MP and Uttaranchal, and that's majority of our business. What we're getting into this year is both myself and Captain Varun will get trained on rescue flying, basically medevac, medical flights for category 3A, 3B patients, patients who can walk on their feet in case of an emergency, not ones who require a stretcher. For the stretcher ones, you have these bigger aircraft that are parked right here.
Chalo, where are we heading now?
Let's go check out the simulator. Let's see if it's up and running.
This is the only simulator in India.
Helicopter simulator in India. It's tuned for a single engine aircraft, for a single engine helicopter basically, and the exact motion on these control systems replicate exactly what happens on a Robinson aircraft
Real time.
in the real time. Okay, so the three controls on an aircraft, very simply, are the cyclic, the pedals, and the collective. Okay. So let's say we want to take off. The aircraft is on ground or on 000. Okay. So you grab onto the stick here, right? At 000. I will slowly start raising the collective. अभी जैसे जैसे collective ऊपर आएगा, the aircraft starts getting lighter, right? So depending on the weight balance, how many people are sitting, how much fuel there is, you might have to add a little bit of correction forward and backwards. मतलब the aircraft comes like this, so you need to add forward to make it stable. If the aircraft comes back, you might have to add a rear to make it. So basically that's what you do. So going up, down, left, right is basically going to control the minor correction. So I'm showing it like this. In movies, Tom Cruise basically flies a helicopter like this, right? That's not how you fly a helicopter. That's going to result in a crash. Basically, when I take off, this is the correction I'm giving. I don't know if you can notice how small of a correction this is, but this is all that I give to take off an aircraft. So I take off, I realize, okay, the aircraft is moving this way. I make it in a steady hover. I hold it in a hover. And what happens is, an aircraft is basically a gyroscope, right? So there's a gyroscopic effect. The blade is turning counterclockwise. So if it turns counterclockwise, the body, with the virtue of its inertia, would want to turn clockwise, the other way. So the blade turns this way, the body turns this way. So if it's going to turn this way, we apply left pedal. So every time we pull the aircraft up, there's a little bit of left pedal to keep the aircraft where it is. So there is the collective, there's the cyclic, and we apply left pedal to keep the aircraft flying this way, just keeping it steady as we move up.
Obviously, after knowing all this, I wanted to try the simulator. So we actually tried it for almost half an hour. We had couple of flights and I guess I crashed all of them. So yeah, towards the end of this time lapse, you will see how we crashed one of our flights. After crashing 2 flights in simulator, I wanted to hide my embarrassment and then I asked real questions like how much does it actually cost to become a pilot in India and where can I learn these technicalities?
50-hour flight for being a private pilot. So private pilot is someone who can't carry commercial passengers but can carry friends, family, whatever.
But after getting training for
50 hours.
50 hours, training के बाद
training and exam. So training 50 hours takes about 2 months. So 50 hours would cost you between 15 to 16 lakhs in rupees. And if you're doing it from an expensive school in Dubai or in Australia or something, it's going to be 20-25 lakhs. And
this school is not in India, not in Delhi, not in Mumbai.
No schools
You can't learn helicopters in India.
No, you cannot.
Oh wow.
And if you want to do bigger aircraft, then you need twin engine making. So twin engine will cost you 60-65 lakhs and about a year and a half worth of training. None of that is in India. All of that has to be done outside.
So finally the climax is here. We are preparing for the takeoff. The safety procedures are going on right now. So we are all set. There is this one helicopter which is about to land. We are waiting for it to land so that we can get the clearance and take off right away. So yeah, we are all set to take off from the runway right now. I can feel the thrust, I can feel the power right now. Oh my god, this is so amazing. We can see Juhu Beach right in front of us. It looks so beautiful. That's Juhu Chowpatty. The whole beach is empty, obviously because of the lockdown and the corona reasons. So now we are heading towards Powai. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. That's Mumbai International Airport, we can see right now. That's huge. That's Mumbai local trains. Wow, yaar, kya view hai, maza aa gaya. That's Western Express Highway, one of the most famous highways in Mumbai. This is super amazing, man. This is super amazing. We can see Hiranandani right in front of us. We have already reached Powai right now. And now we are reaching Powai Lake. We are right above Powai Lake and heading towards IIT Mumbai. And we can see Film City right in front of us. Our trip to Powai is done. We are now returning back to Juhu Air Base. So we can already see the runway in front of us. We have already started descending. हम नीचे जाना already शुरू कर चुके हैं अभी. You can feel that we are going down, and it's a very risky and technical job. You need full amount of concentration to actually land. A very small hand motion actually changes the direction. You can actually feel it. So now, as we almost touch the runway, we'll hover towards the parking area. This is so interesting that you don't actually land on the runway and you just touch it and then not even touch it, just reach there and then go to the parking area. That's so fascinating. I love this ride, man. I hope you guys can also experience this. I'm gonna share some links on the description so that you can also book your flights and have this experience. This is so amazing. And there we go.
was amazing, and I hope all of you like it when you watch it. Helicopters are an amazing experience, and we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, man.
We had a lot of fun. Yay.
I really hope that you guys like this video, and I want to thank Aman and Aman Aviation for the whole magical experience. You guys can also book your own flights. I'm sharing some links in the description below. You can contact them and book your own flights. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you guys think about the whole experience, the whole video? And do subscribe to Wiser Together. It really helps and motivates us to create more such content. And I'll see you guys in the next video.